Meron nga ba talagang perfect cookie recipe? My answer is no, because recipes are considered subjective based on what one person finds delicious, and it can vary greatly from one another due to personal taste preference. Everyone might adjust a recipe based on their own liking. Well, totoo naman, magkakaiba tayo ng panlasa, so ang masarap sa'yo pwedeng hindi masarap para sa iba. Lalo na pagdating sa cookies. Sobrang daming recipes na nagkalat online, and most of them claim that their recipe is the best. But for me, this is a perfect cookie recipe. In a bowl, let's start by adding 1 cup of softened butter, half cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, i-cream lang natin ang ating butter and sugar mixture. Then start adding the rest of our ingredients. 2 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix until there's no more traces of flour in our cookie dough. And lastly, we add our chocolate chips. I added about 1.5 cups of Belgian dark chocolate chips. Now this recipe is so versatile that you can customize the flavor of your cookie by adding other mix-ins like nuts, oatmeal, dried fruits and berries, and a lot more. Now ginagamitan ko siya ng large size ice cream scoop para ma-portion ko yung cookie dough. And for this recipe, nakagawa ako ng 17 cookies na nasa around 70 grams each. Now, before baking, we need to rest the dough in the fridge for at least 24 hours para mas mag-deepen at pa-develop palalo yung flavor ng cookies. And also, by giving it time to rest, na-hydrate palalo yung flour kaya mas nagiging moist ang ating cookies. I added more chocolate chips on top at sea salt bago ko ipasok sa ref. Now, after 24 hours, we can start baking our cookies. Mag-bake lang ako ng 2 cookies, yung isa gagamitan ko ng tart ring. Kasi yung recipe na to talagang nag-spread siya habang binibake. And ginagamitan ko lang ng tart ring para ma-prevent na mag-spread siya at magdikit-dikit yung cookies habang nasa oven. And at the same time, na ma-maximize ko yung capacity ng baking tray na ginagamit ko. I can bake 9 cookies all at the same time with tart rings. Pag wala kasi mga 5 to 6 cookies lang at may tendency pa sila na magdikit-dikit. Now bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes. Now right after matanggal sa oven, kung wala kayong tart ring, pwede nyo i-reshape agad yung cookies na masyado nag-spread using any round object. Then palamigin lang bago i-serve. Now, the reason why I call this the perfect cookie for me is because nakuha niya lahat ng elements na gusto ko sa isang chocolate chip cookie. Hindi siya matamis, it's moist, it's not too dense, it's soft and chewy center, and crispy exterior. Now, very important reminder lang to use real butter kung gagawin nyo itong recipe para maganda at masarap yung cookie na mapoproduce nyo. Also, yung paggamit ng chocolate chips. Important to use premium and high quality chocolate chips. Hey guys, we're here at Cake Festa Day 4 and I'm with Kayla Giddings of Cheers to Cake, and I'm going to give her 1 piece of cookie and she's going to give her honest feedback.
I'm excited. Thank you. Okay. I can already tell it's soft.
Yeah.
I can already, that's good.
She accepted the challenge.
Yes, I won't say no to a cookie, so, oh wow. You know what you're doing. You know what, he knows what he's doing. It's perfect. It's soft, which is like, I love that because I don't want to have to warm up my cookie to get it soft. And it's like the perfect density, like not too dense and not too fluffy, because you don't want like a fluffy cookie. This is really good. I would eat this again. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you. I love it.
Merrick, proud Filipina.
Yes.
Half Filipina.
Yes. We're going to review this cookie.
Yes.
And I always am honest. My first impression is it smells really good.
Thank you so
It
much.
smells buttery, brown butter.
Yeah. No, it's a regular something.
It smells, okay.
I use Calibo dark chocolate.
Very, oh, nice. Very soft.
I'm shaking. How was it?
That was very good.
Thank you so much.
It was very moist. is really good.
Thank you so much.
Really good. I like a soft cookie.
Thank you.
I just need a glass of milk. And it'll be perfect.
It is not sweet, right?
I would say 10 out of 10. Really, I like this better than my recipe.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah. It's really soft.
Thank you so much. Guys, we're here at Cake Fiesta Day 4 and we're here with Zoe and Rosie Damo. And 2 weeks for them and they're gonna give their honest feedback or reaction on my cookies.
Oh,
That's a classic chocolate chip cookie.
what do we got?
This looks nice. I'm a very messy eater though. I don't normally go on camera eating because I'm a very ugly eater. They're good. These are good.
Really?
Really good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. The best cookies ever.
Dorothy Clerk.
The other one.
And the last piece of the cookie to give an honest feedback. Yeah. How is it?
That one.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Magpapa-pre-taste tayo ng cookies natin. So,
Ambush.
magbibigay sila ng honest feedback sa cookies. Get one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Siyempre, ito na yung trending
So what's the cookie?
It's when I get
Basically just
nervous
classic
and
chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip.
that's when it gets really sticky.
First of all, chocolatey. Ang daming chocolates, which is really good.
Can you guys see the shape starting?
Sobrang sarap.
Chewy.
Crunchy on
Very
the outside, but very chewy in the inside,
Very
which
good.
is the kind of cookie that I really love.
Like the tummy area.
Tsaka parang premium chocolate ba lang?
Calibo.
Wow, that's why. It's
why.
Belgian chocolate.
Is your hand freezing already?
Bianca and Miss Kelly ng Baketal. Paulitos, Baketal yan. Binigyan natin ng cookies and titikman nila kung anong I-review nila, nahiya sila pero pinipilit kong magbigay ng reaction.
So si Valerie may isang
Mango something.
sa akin 6 pieces.
Kamusta yung mango?
Sarap. Ito na lunch ko eh. Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Seryoso?
Dinner.
Oo. Ay,
Dinner from last night. O dinner
Merienda.
from last night.
Thank you so much.
Lunch.
Next year ulit.
Yeah.